Hi, welcome to my channel once again. So I was feeling kind of confident, so I thought I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial while I have this confidence. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna do a look I've kind of done before, but like a combination of two looks I've done. And if there's like a weird thing poking off this side, it's because, you know, I have a cat here. She's gonna attend this video. What we're gonna do is, well, I'm gonna add some foundation. I don't think this is my shade. I kind of got like a tan going on, sorta, not really. So all my foundation is just like pale as hell, and I'm the slightest amount of tan now. So it's like, okay, doesn't really match well, but yeah, I think it'll make it work. Okay, so I haven't done concealer yet because I'm gonna do this after, because I added some tape to get like a nice line. So we're gonna set that after, and we're mostly gonna use this palette. Okay, so the first thing I did was to put a yellow in here, and also put some highlight on my brow bone, just to have something to blend the yellow out in. It looks kind of shiny. Also added the highlight over here, so we're gonna do this over here. Okay, next thing I did was like a really bright neon green. And you kind of want to focus more on the green, not too much the yellow. You just kind of, because the next color is going to be deep blue. So the transition color would be like a green from the yellow to the blue. So kind of want to focus more. Okay, so next thing I did was to add this like navy dark blue, and as you can see, these colors just blend like butter. It's like did my concealer and I did some light contour. And I'm gonna do some highlight now, and I'm actually gonna explain it because I managed to do this thing where it kind of looks very like your skin isn't like a cake, I guess. And then the trick is you take the highlighter a little kind of here on your actual cheek, then you look kind of hydrated for some reason. I don't know. I just kind of like it. I would prefer to do like a color that is somewhat similar to your skin, and probably shouldn't really have glitter in it. So it kind of seems like more like a wet glow, I guess. I think you can call it that. I don't know. Ooh, yeah. A little bit on your nose. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take like a little Q-tip and put some makeup remover on and just kind of remove some shadow on the half crease. Now we're gonna cut the crease with concealer. We're gonna add like a really shimmery silver shadow and put like a really kind of like a white highlight in the inner corner, and then afterwards we're gonna take a brush here and put the deep blue and do like a weird tap swipe emotion motion. How to English. Yeah, and then we're gonna have this like really nice blendedness, some sort of. Okay, so the next idea is we're gonna add some eyeliner. like this in here. I'm gonna try to be in frame as much as possible, but I might have an issue with it. But I hope I can do it. So we're gonna do that with a little felt tip liner. So I just went ahead and put some mascara. And we're gonna do a black lip with some black lip gloss maybe. Yeah. sweater. I don't know, it's kind of hard to get it dark, I don't know. Anyway, this is the look. This is my tan line. It's great. Gets better, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching this YouTube video. My cat is very tired. I woke her up. I'm such a mean owner. Can you say hi? Oh, she says sleep. Okay.